Hey there, adventurers. Today we're here at SeaWorld Orlando to check out their summer spectacular. I'm so excited because we're going to be checking out the new drone show, the new baby shark event they're having, along with everything you can expect for the summer here at SeaWorld. So let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Now first, we're going to check out the new Baby Shark and Pinkfong's Fantastic Adventure, a brand new show for preschoolers with Baby Shark and his friends celebrating 10 years with sing-along and dance party show. But first, before we get into the show, I want to say huge thanks to both SeaWorld Orlando and Katie Antosh for inviting us out today. With the new show, there's all sorts of new food items, such as deep-fried mac and cheese bites, shark fin PB&J sandwiches, baby shark cake pops, and a baby charcuterie. There's even a small meet and greet with Baby Shark, and even special merchandise. So with that being said, let's head inside. I also like how there's an area reserved for just children sleeping in strollers.
Hello everyone! Hello grown-ups! And a special hello to all the kids out there! It's really nice to meet all of you! Who do you think it is? Baby Shark! You're right, it's Baby Shark! Hi Baby Shark! Pinkfong and Baby Shark are here at SeaWorld to celebrate the summer with you!
Let's go meet some baby animal friends! Happy, happy SeaWorld! Happy, happy SeaWorld! Let's meet the animal friends at SeaWorld! Always do-do-do-do-do, baby dolphin, do-do-do-do-do, baby beluga, do-do-do-do-do, all looking good! Hello, friends!
We are the Shark family. Nice to meet you all.
We are planning to go on a picnic. We will take a bus and go to the park.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the sea. Baby shark, shake your tail. Baby shark, flap your fin. Baby shark, when you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! A penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, dismiss!
I saw Baby Shark going to the octopus village with orange fish.
Thank you, Penguin! Thank you for your information!
Bye-bye.
6 little fish that I once knew, that one's skinny, one's big eyes too, but the octopus came and scared them all. Baby shark, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-doo, baby shark, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-doo, baby shark, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-doo. It's the end, dee-dee-dee-dee-doo, it's the end, dee-dee-dee-dee-doo, it's the end, dee-dee-dee-dee-doo, it's the end.
Now next up, we're going to go ahead and head inside Hydro Surge. This is an electrifying cirque spectacular where the powered ocean meets industrial grit, where this includes breathtaking acrobatics, fierce dancers, live vocalists, and powerhouse drummer, where it pulls you into a tidal rush and you prepare to be swept away. just got out of Hydro Surge. Now, Sebastian, what do you think of it?
I liked it. It was a really nice show. Too much loud.
When it comes to Hydro Surge, it is an amazing show. I think the performers were absolutely incredible. Music was good. But I will say, I don't think they need to use that many lights in the show, because for most of the time the lights were used, I was just being blind. I was like, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
But overall, I think it is a nice show, especially if you want something more energetic and non-animal based.
And if you want to get away from the rain.
Yeah, it's also nice to get away from the rain, which it's still raining now, so hopefully we can head over to the drone show and fireworks tonight.
Hopefully.
Well, we did try to go over to Pipeline, but
Close.
yeah. So, and we're going to head over to our next destination, which is going to be for Club Ciclo, a DJ dance party area where there's some performers. It is basically the pre-show before tonight's drone show and fireworks. So, let's go ahead and head over there now. Firework and drone show, which is going to be Ignite. And with Ignite, it is a fireworks spectacular to end your night at Summer Spectacular, where there's a bunch of fireworks. And new for 2025, there's a special drone show with all sorts of animal drones. And I'm not gonna lie, I think this is the highest must-do that I've been wanting to do all day. So you know what, we're going to go ahead and watch it very soon, hopefully, because if you remember last time's adventure, then you know that it got canceled due to wind. Luckily though, it is looking to be a perfect night, I hope, but we'll see. I think right now we're going to go ahead and hopefully watch the drone and fireworks show. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what this is. Is this summer or is this Halloween already with the fog? Oh my goodness, I can't see a thing in here. But I would definitely recommend getting here 30 minutes in advance, especially since right now it is 8:45 and crowds are building up.
Well, there you have it. I think it's time to kick and say off. It is time for our final thing of the night. And again, we're kicking off with our amazing drone show right tonight, live fireworks. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Get those phones out. Get ready to have a little fun right here at Club SeaWorld.
just got out of Ignite and the drone show. Sebastian, how was that?
I thought it was nice for SeaWorld. Very different than most theme parks when they have their fireworks, but I kind of liked that it was different. The show is worth to come, and the fire effects, the fireworks, and the lighting and the music all put it all together into one nice tile.
Yeah, I mean, I love the drone show. I feel like the drones are so creative, and they're just massive up close, too. And when it comes to the fireworks, that's probably the huge surprise, because when it comes to Ignite, it is a amazing fireworks show with Fire Fest, lighting. I feel like it is a perfect way to end your night here at SeaWorld during the summer. And when it comes to the Summer Spectacular, I think it is a great event. You have Bands, Brews, and Barbecue debuting this week in July 5th, Baby Shark 2, and you also have the incredible drone show and fireworks show to end your night at SeaWorld. So Sebastian, what do you think of the event overall today from what you saw?
10 out of 10. It's a great event to come to.
Whether you have kids or if you're going to spend a few hours here at SeaWorld, then it's definitely worth coming to check out during summer, especially for an incredible lineup of roller coasters. But now it is over to you. Let me know in the comments down below, have you ever been to SeaWorld or are you planning to visit this summer? I would love to know. If you want to support the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and follow for more. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.